Join me as I dive into the wild world of all stock right now and try to figure out what's really going on. American Airlines Group Incorporated, commonly known as All Stock, has been making headlines lately with its fluctuating stock prices. This stock represents one of the major players in the U.S. airline industry, and its performance often mirrors the broader trends in the market and the economy. Over the past few months, All Stock has experienced significant ups and downs. The airline industry is highly competitive and sensitive to economic shifts, and All Stock is no exception. One of the major challenges AAL is facing right now is the recovery from the pandemic. Although travel demand has surged, the company is dealing with increased operational costs, including higher labor and fuel expenses. Recent news about potential disruptions in global markets due to economic uncertainty has also impacted All Stock. The economic environment plays a crucial role in the performance of All Stock. With rising interest rates and inflation concerns, consumers are becoming cautious about spending on travel, which directly affects airline stocks. Moreover, industry trends such as the shift towards sustainable travel and technological advancements are forcing airlines to adapt quickly. Company-specific news, like changes in leadership or strategic partnerships, can also move the needle for All Stock. Another critical factor to consider is how AAL has been handling its recovery post-pandemic. The company has been focusing on rebuilding its network and improving customer experience, which could potentially drive growth. However, any misstep in this process could negatively impact its stock value. Recently, there have been concerns about the company's debt levels and its ability to manage them effectively. The recent earnings report from AAL provided some insights into the company's current situation. While there were some positive signs, such as an increase in revenue compared to previous quarters, the overall sentiment remains cautious. Investors are keeping a close eye on how AAL will navigate through the upcoming quarters, especially with the possibility of economic downturns and increased competition. Regulatory changes are another aspect that could influence All Stock's future. Any new policies regarding airline operations, environmental regulations, or consumer protection could have significant implications. For instance, stricter regulations on carbon emissions could increase operational costs for airlines. To sum it up, All Stock is currently navigating through a complex environment with various challenges and opportunities. From economic conditions and industry trends to company-specific developments, there are many factors at play. If you've been following All Stock or have thoughts on its future, please drop a comment below. Also, check out my previous video on stock market trends for a deeper dive into what's happening in the market right now.